Is your localized binary string manifest apps broken by the Bstrings Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. To start our troubleshooting for Bstrings Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Bstrings Library, a legacy system library used to manage the localized allocation of basic strings, BSTR, for early OLE automation software. While standard, its corruption causes type mismatch errors in older business tools and custom macro-enabled applications. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. A missing ID3lib library DLL usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the ID3lib integration, so reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Bstrings library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Most individual downloads of ID3lib library DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for Bstrings Library. If you've regained access to Bstrings Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.